Welcome to this video where we'll answer the top 10 most common cloud computing questions you need to know by 2025. If you're new to cloud computing, don't worry. I'll break everything down into simple, easy to understand concepts, avoiding unnecessary jargon, and focusing on exactly what beginners need to know. From foundational insights to the cutting-edge trends shaping the future, this video will give you a clear understanding of cloud computing and why it's such an important topic today. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is cloud computing? In the simplest terms, cloud computing refers to accessing and storing data or programs over the internet, rather than on your computer's local storage, like your hard drive. Think of it as renting space and power on someone else's computers. These computers or servers are hosted in remote data centers. For example, when you save files to Google Drive or stream a movie on Netflix, you're already using the cloud. It's called cloud computing because you don't see or interact with the physical hardware doing the heavy lifting. It happens remotely, almost like it's floating in the air. The cloud isn't just one unified entity. There are three main types of cloud environments. Public cloud. These services are owned and managed by third-party providers like Amazon Web Services, AWS, or Microsoft Azure. Anyone can access them over the internet and pay based on usage. Private cloud. This setup is dedicated to one organization. It provides more control but is also more expensive to manage. Hybrid cloud. This combines public and private cloud solutions, allowing for greater flexibility in managing data and workloads. Understanding these types is important because your needs, whether for personal use or a small business, determine which option works best for you. Now you might have heard terms like SaaS, IaaS, and PaaS thrown around. These represent cloud computing service models, and here's what they mean. SaaS, software as a service. Think of platforms like Google Drive or Zoom. Here, software is hosted on the cloud, and users access it through the web. Nothing needs to be downloaded or installed. IaaS, infrastructure as a service. This is about renting computing infrastructure, like virtual servers or storage. Businesses often use IaaS for flexibility in scaling their operations without owning hardware. As platform as a service, PaaS focuses on providing developers with a platform to build and deploy applications quickly, without worrying about infrastructure management. Each of these models serves different audiences, from casual users, SaaS, to organizations needing technical control, IaaS and PaaS. What makes cloud computing such a game changer? For starters, cost efficiency is a massive draw. Businesses and individuals only pay for what they use. There's no need to invest in expensive hardware or maintenance. The cloud is also highly scalable. For example, if a streaming service experiences a sudden surge in viewers, cloud systems can instantly adjust the resources allocated to ensure uninterrupted service. Finally, flexibility and accessibility make the cloud indispensable. You can access your files or systems from anywhere, at any time, as long as you have an internet connection. This has been especially transformative in remote work and online education. The benefits extend far beyond big corporations. Let's take a look at two main groups. For businesses, the cloud allows companies to store vast amounts of data, run applications efficiently, and collaborate seamlessly, even with global teams. Industries like healthcare and finance use it to handle sensitive information securely. For individuals, almost everyone uses the cloud, sometimes without realizing it. Backing up photos with iCloud or using Google Workspace for documents and emails are common personal uses of the cloud. Whether you're running a business or just managing personal tasks, cloud computing opens up countless possibilities for collaboration, security, and convenience. One of the first questions beginners ask is about security. After all, your data is stored on external servers, not on your personal computers, so how safe is it? The good news is that cloud providers invest heavily in robust security measures. These include encryption, which ensures that data is scrambled and unreadable to unauthorized users. Regular backups, so that even in the event of a failure, your data is not lost. compliance with global regulations that protect user data, such as GDPR. That said, security also depends on you. Simple things like enabling two-factor authentication, creating strong passwords, and choosing a trusted cloud provider can greatly enhance your data protection. If data doesn't live on your laptop or hard drive, where does it go? The answer lies in data centers, massive facilities filled with servers located all over the world. For example, Amazon and Google operate huge data centers in cities across the globe. When you upload a file to the cloud, it's stored on these servers. Providers often replicate your data in multiple locations, so that even if one server fails, your information remains safe and accessible. The cost of cloud computing depends on how much you use and what type of service you need. Most providers implement a pay-as-you-go model, where you only pay for the storage, processing power, or services you consume. Basic personal cloud services like Google Drive often offer free plans with limited storage. Small businesses may pay monthly fees for additional storage or features when using platforms like Dropbox. Enterprises investing in advanced solutions like AWS may have customizable costs depending on usage and scale. The key is to evaluate your needs carefully to avoid overspending while taking full advantage of cloud services. Getting started with cloud computing is easier than you think. Here's a quick roadmap. Start with free beginner-friendly platforms like Google Drive or OneDrive. Use them to store files and experiment with their features. Explore collaboration tools like Google Docs or Dropbox to understand the shared benefits of working in the cloud. For learning more advanced platforms, consider resources or beginner tutorials for AWS's free tier or Microsoft Azure's trial offers. The key takeaway? Everyone can start using the cloud no matter their skill level or budget. The beauty of cloud computing is that you don't need to be an IT expert to take advantage of it. For personal or small-scale usage, basic computer skills, navigating apps, creating accounts, and managing files are more than sufficient. For professionals interested in working with the cloud further, it's helpful to learn cloud basics like setting up virtual machines, IaaS, data management for handling larger workloads, specialized platforms like AWS or Google Cloud if you aim to build and deploy applications. Looking ahead, some exciting trends are shaping the future of cloud computing. Artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML. The cloud is making these technologies more accessible, enabling smarter automation and faster innovations. Serverless computing. This eliminates the need to manage servers as cloud providers handle the infrastructure. You focus solely on building products. Edge computing. As connected devices grow, edge computing processes data closer to its source, reducing latency and improving performance. These advancements will revolutionize how companies and individuals interact with the cloud. Cloud computing is more than just a tool. It's the backbone of technological innovation in today's world. It supports everything from remote work and social media to breakthrough technologies like self-driving cars and virtual reality. For businesses, the cloud drives efficiency, collaboration, and scalability, helping them adapt to changing demands swiftly. For individuals, it enables convenience, productivity, and access to tools that were once out of reach. There you have it, the answers to the top 10 most asked questions about cloud computing, explained in simple terms. From understanding the basics and exploring practical uses to digging into cutting-edge trends, this video is your perfect starting point for entering the world of cloud computing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment with any additional questions you'd like answered. Subscribe for more tech insights as we dive deeper into cloud computing and explore other groundbreaking technologies shaping the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.